These are worlds that I have created in Minecraft. In this video, I will guide you through how to find worlds folder in Minecraft Java Edition on PC. Click Start, type Run, or press Window plus R keys from keyboard. You will see Run App. Type %, and in between type app data without space. Hit enter. Roaming folder that is inside app data folder will be opened. See this .minecraft folder? Open it. Go to saves folder. This is the folder where Minecraft Java Edition stores worlds data. Each folder here is a world that I created. Folder names display worlds names. For example, NumNumCraft Survival YT. And see NumNumCraft Survival YT. This is a world. So if you need backup for a world, copy the whole world folder and save it in a separate location. If you want to change PC, reinstall operating system, reinstall Minecraft, or run this world on another PC, copy this folder in a new PC in the same location, and you will be able to play this world on another PC in Minecraft. If you go inside this folder, these are all the files for this world. So this is how you find world folder in Minecraft Java Edition on PC. I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.